lovelies, and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day, and today's video we are going to be revisiting the Makartt Pink Polygel kit requested by a subscriber. Thank you for this, the suggestion, Christina. I really appreciate it. So this video is for you, and I'm really glad because I love this kit. So I'm not gonna show you everything completely and go through everything slowly because I've already done that on another video, which I will link in the cards so you can go back and watch that whenever you like. I'm also showing you what I will be using today in today's video. So I use these butterfly mixture that I got from Amazon. I will link that in the description. The glitter that came with this kit is like that iridescent glitter. I also use these that come in a big set from Amazon, and I also use some flaky foil as well. I did show you, I'm showing you now the swatches just so you got a small sort of idea, but yes. So I am going to show in this video how to prep your natural nail. So right now I'm just pushing back the cuticle, and then using the other end I scrape away any of the dirt and dead skin that pushes up. Obviously the cuticle is the dead skin that you will scrape away. I would also buff the shine gently. You just want to take the shine away from your natural nails. I didn't actually put this on camera, I forgot to. Then I go in with my dehydrator and my primer from Model 1s. And then I also use a peel off base coat, but if you want your nails to last, you would skip that step and then go in with with the base coat. I'm just cleaning the dust and dirt off now with a brush and some alcohol. So here's the base coat. I can't seem to get it to focus, it was a pain in the butt, but this is the peel off base coat that I use. Like I said, though, you wouldn't use this if you want them to last. And we are using the dual form dupe method, lazy tip method, I don't know what you want to call it. So I figured that I will stick them down onto my little stands so that I'm not all fiddly and dropping them, you know, and it made it a lot easier. So I just applied some top coat, not base coat. I showed the base coat by mistake because obviously everything is the same because everything is pink. I love this kit, it's so pink. Sorry, completely off track. So yeah, I put some top coat in, and then I pushed some of that gold foil into the top coat, and now I'm going in with I can't remember what number it was, but it's the neon jelly. And then I go in with a tiny bit of clear because I forgot to press some glitter into that top coat. So now I'm just moving the polygel around in the actual tip, and then I go in with some glitter, press it in, and then I add another layer of clear on top, so obviously the glitter is encapsulated into the nail. I hope that makes sense, guys. And then once that's done, I just press it onto my nail and I cure for 60 seconds. It's pretty much, oh gosh, what the hell happened with my voice then? It's pretty much the same process. I can't speak tonight. It's pretty much the same process. I show you what I'm using, and I press all of my glitter and stuff into the tip with top coat first, and then yeah. So I'm just gonna let you watch this application and stuff and enjoy, because I really had fun doing this set. I really went all out with the butterflies and the stars and the glitter and the pink. I used every single colour this time, by the way, because I was like, I gotta use every colour. So I'll be back in time for filing and stuff like that, and I will see you guys in a bit, so enjoy.
I begin to
And I'm back, guys. So now I'm just using some rubbing alcohol and I'm spraying it onto some tissue paper and wiping away the sticky tacky layer that is underneath, because polygel, any gel product really, is sticky. I'm sorry if I did go out of frame a little bit through this video. I zoomed in so that I could get everything into the video and I didn't realise that like sometimes I did go out, so I apologise for that. So now I'm just going to shape the nails themselves and then I buff over the top so that I can make sure that the top coat adheres to the nail, because obviously top coat won't stick to anything shiny. You don't need to file much, you literally just have to file the edges to make sure that they're like the polygel hasn't oozed out the sides and to make sure that they're not like sharp. But yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this set. I love this polygel kit, and by all means leave a comment down below if you want me to do another video on any of the other kits, because yeah, I'd be happy to, and I can do a different design. I love doing polygel, and now I love this like lazy tip method as well. It's great, it's so much fun and so easy. And also I would highly recommend Makartt clear polygel. Like watch how clear it is once I put that top coat on. That is amazing. It's so hard to find a really good clear polygel, and Makartt has definitely nailed that on the head. So I cured everything in this kit is curable for 60 seconds, in case you were wondering, I forgot to say in between. But I'm going to love and leave you here, guys. I put on some cuticle oil as well. So I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I hope you're all staying safe. Keep on smiling, guys. And like I said, leave a comment down in the comment section with any recommendations or requests, and I will try my best to do them. But yeah guys, I'll see you all in the next one. Bye!
I begin to